SPY is a really hard one to trade. Instead of that, concentrate on like a Ford, right? What was it? SOXL was running all day long. We called Bank of America all day long. We called Qualcomm all day long, right? There's so many other things. AI we called all day long. There's so many other things you could have been in, and you're over there in SPY, which is the #1 hardest stock in the world to trade in, right? Let's make this trade together before I head to lunch. So I'm looking at it right here. Everybody look at this. This will help us all. This is the trade, right? So if we look at the second candle, which I can barely tell if it's longer than the first candle, right? The rule is always it has to be longer. So I can't tell if it's longer or not. But if it is, let's say it was. We entered on this candle here, yes? Which is, I don't care any of this. I don't really care. Whichever one it is. Look at what the next two candles do. Is this a sign of strength or weakness, everyone?
Weakness.
A weakness. It went the wrong way. What do you do right here?
Get up.
Get out. Yeah.
Sure, it should not be in that. Well, what about if it hits this spot?
Zero.
Yep, you get out.
Yeah, you're saving. Yeah.
So even if we entered this trade, even if you did it on this trade, and you're right, if everything was great and you're like, this is awesome, this is the move. Well, as soon as it went up here and stayed, I'm out. As soon as this changes colors, I'm out.
It's
Right.
better to get out with a tiny little loss and
Right.
get back in the right direction later and recover that. That just get a huge loss.
Yeah, that's right. Because then what you're supposed to do is you were supposed to re-enter here, which is to the upside, which is here. And now you're making money to the upside, which would have offset this move, right?
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.